Woodpeckers are medium-sized birds with several distinctive physical features that set them apart from other avian species. Their most iconic attribute is their powerful and chisel-like beak, which is specially adapted for drilling into wood. This beak serves a dual purpose. It's a formidable tool for extracting insects from tree bark and a percussion instrument used in the rhythmic drumming that gives woodpeckers their name. They have zygodactyl feet, where 2 toes point forward and 2 point backward. This foot arrangement provides them with a strong and secure grip on tree trunks, allowing them to move vertically and even upside down with remarkable ease. They often display striking plumage patterns, making them visually captivating. Their plumage varies significantly among species, but it typically includes contrasting colors like black, white, and red. These bold colors not only make them stand out but also serve as a form of communication within their species. There is an astonishing diversity of woodpecker species around the world, each uniquely adapted to its specific habitat and region. Some of the most well-known species include the downy woodpecker, pileated woodpecker, northern flicker, and the red-headed woodpecker. These species exhibit variations in size, coloration, and range, making them a diverse and captivating group of birds to study. They belong to the family Picidae and the order Piciformes. This classification places them alongside other related birds like piculets, wrynecks, and sapsuckers. Within this order, woodpeckers occupy a special niche as expert foragers, climbers, and drummers. Most fascinating adaptations in woodpeckers is their shock-absorbing skull. When they engage in their characteristic drumming behavior, their brains are protected from the high-impact forces by a specialized spongy bone. This adaptation allows them to perform their drumming without injuring themselves. Woodpeckers have long tongues with tiny, backward-pointing barbs at the tip. These barbs are perfectly suited for extracting insects and larvae from tree crevices. Some species also have sticky saliva, which helps them capture their prey. They have stiff tail feathers that act as a support when they are perched vertically on tree trunks. This tail support provides stability as they navigate trees and search for food. In many species, males and females appear similar, which can make distinguishing between the sexes challenging, especially for those new to birdwatching. However, experienced birdwatchers may rely on subtle size differences or observe behavior during the breeding season to identify males and females. The sound produced during drumming resonates through the forest. This serves multiple purposes, including establishing territory and attracting mates. They are primarily insectivorous, and their diet includes a wide range of insects and larvae found within tree bark. They are voracious eaters and can consume a significant portion of their body weight in insects daily. They may also consume fruits, nuts, and tree sap. They are cavity nesters, meaning they create nesting cavities within trees. These cavities serve as shelter and protection for their eggs and chicks. They use their powerful beaks to create and maintain these cavities. These nesting sites are also valuable to other bird species that may use abandoned woodpecker nests for their own breeding purposes. Their lifespan can vary depending on factors like species, habitat, and predation risks. They have relatively long lifespans for birds, with some species living up to 10 years or more in the wild. Here is an animal joke you may like. What do you call a woodpecker with no beak? A headbanger. Please share and subscribe.